Alexa, shut the fuck up. Hi. Alright, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Veda and I do makeup. Alright, so I have not actually filmed a video since before Christmas, or like right after Christmas. So it is now February 8th. So it's fucking been a while. My hair has changed since you last saw me. It is now this, and I already need to get it redone. That's how long it's been since you see me. Okay, so none of this matters. All right. So today I thought I would sit down and do some kind of Valentine's inspired makeup look. I'm not really entirely sure what I'm gonna do at all. I don't know if it's gonna be like a wearable look or if it's going to be something creative. We'll see as soon as I start fucking with it. And I probably won't walk you through very much, but I figured it would just be good to get back in front of the camera and start actually doing things again since it's been so fucking long. And there's no real reason as to why it's been so long. I just have been lazy and like sad. I did film like one video in the last like month and a half, but I was just like in a really bad place, so I'm not gonna edit it or post it. I was sad. Also, some exciting news. I'm doing my very first giveaway. I'm really excited about it. I've been wanting to do a giveaway since I probably started my Instagram, but I am a broke ass bitch, so I have not done that. But now that I have like companies actually sending me makeup regularly, I figured I would gather up a bunch of stuff that I haven't used yet and send it off to somebody who would use it. Because let's be real, I have way too much makeup and there's no way that I can actually like sit down and use every single item I get sent. So anyways, that giveaway will be over on my Instagram and I will be posting that on Sunday at noon, which hopefully this video will be going up at Sunday at noon. Today it's Saturday. So hopefully by the time you're seeing this, my giveaway will be live on Instagram and you can go over there and see all of the details. I'm giving away about $200 worth of stuff, which is really exciting. I did purchase a couple things myself that I was really excited to share for you guys. So anyways, if you guys want to see that that giveaway, be sure to be subscribed to my channel and head over to my Instagram, and all of the details on how to enter will be over there. But one extra way to enter will definitely be being subscribed to this channel. I will be going through and checking everything that... So anyways, head over to my Instagram if you're interested in participating in that giveaway. I cannot wait. All right, let's get into this. Okay, so I already have my makeup on, like my base on. I have my like foundation, concealer, powder, contour, highlight, blush, that's all on. My eyebrows are on. So I think I'm gonna start with throwing on some little faux freckles. The company Freck reached out to me and sent me their little product. And I've been using it nonstop and I'm really excited. I'm really excited that they reached out to me and sent me something because I love them. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a little like faux freckling over my nose. I do get a lot of freckles naturally in the summer, but it is the middle of winter right now and there's like 8 inches of snow outside. So I'm pale, I have no freckles right now. So let's fake it. Okay, so just gonna dot. I'm not really doing this with any rhyme or reason. Ooh, that's a big one. I'll wipe that one off. And then I'm gonna just, ooh, we're gonna be real freckly today. Okay. Look how natural. It like literally looks like real freckles. It makes me so excited. I love this fucking shit. And I just kind of pat it all out because I think it looks way more natural that way. I've seen some people like lightly patting out like 1 or 2 little dots on themselves before. Other like makeup artists and shit do that, but I don't know. I like kind of just going for it, you know? Are we freckly enough? We're never freckly enough. But we're probably getting close to being not natural anymore. All right. Good enough. I have gotten new lights since you guys last saw me also, so this hopefully will be a little bit brighter. All right, so we've done our little freckles. Let's move on to something else. I guess we could get into eye makeup. I'm gonna use my Venus XL palette, I think, from LimeCrime, and I might dip into my little James Charles palette. We'll see what I want to do. Okay, so, oh, those freckles are so cute. Look how cute I am. All right, I will zoom you back into my eyeball. All right, so in my little Venus palette, let us find a brush. All right, so I'm going to dip into the shade Scallop, this little pinky guy, and I'm gonna put that little pink bitch all over my goddamn eye. All over the whole thing. And I'm not being precise. I am just fucking with this shit. And if I would have like prepared, I would have gotten like some heart stickers or like some heart glitters or something hearty, but I did not. So hopefully I can come up with something interesting. All right, just taking that scallop shade across my whole lid. And we're done. Just kidding. All right, from there, I think I'm gonna go into Aphrodite, this little guy. All right, so I'm gonna take Aphrodite and I am just gonna pat that all over my outer corner. And I do think I'm gonna keep this kind of wearable. Like I kind of, just some kind of makeup look that you guys can actually follow along on. And I'm just lightly bringing that into my crease. I'm gonna clip my bangs out of the fucking way though. A little bobby pin. Wow, I'm so hot. Wow. All right, and then I'm gonna take that Aphrodite shade underneath my eye with whatever's left on my brush. I'm just gonna bring it around town. All right, I'm just using a big old fluffy big old fluffy blush, big old fluffy brush to diffuse all of the edges, make everything nice and soft. Nice and sassy and soft. What is wrong with me? Man, this is gonna be real quick. This is gonna be the quick video. All right, I'm gonna take a tiny little brush. I don't know if you can see that. Tiny little brush. And I'm going to dip into the color Botticelli, which is this dark color right here. And I'm gonna take that on my lash line, just on the outer third. And I'm gonna bring that kind of up. Oh. We just gonna darken this bitch right here. And I'm using a bigger brush to just kind of lightly diffuse those edges. All right, I don't really know what I'm gonna do from here. Let's cut the crease. Okay, I'm gonna take a flat little brush. And I'm gonna find some concealer. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And on my little flat brush, I am just going to cut this fucking crease. Just like that. And then I'm gonna look up and it's gonna go way high because my eyes fold quite a bit. It's like even higher than it normally goes. Okay, well, Clover, I'm gonna need you to shut the fuck up. And I am just gonna try to make this look okay. That's a little too high, so I'm just gonna wipe that off. And I'm gonna go just below that. And I'm not really caring about making it too precise. I just want to really whiten that area up. All right, and then I'm gonna go into the shade Blank Canvas, which is the little white color, on a packer brush. I'm just gonna pack that on my lid, bitch. Ooh, it's kind of yellowy. Ooh, I used a lot. It kind of got dark. All right, from there, I think I'm gonna go into the shade Flora, which is a bright color, the bright pinky color right there. And I'm gonna take that on a little blending brush, and I'm gonna make that go in between these two colors on my lid. I'm gonna bring some more pink back in there, just kind of brighter. There was like 0 point in cutting my crease, but that's okay. I'm just gonna take a little more concealer and just I'm gonna crisp that bitch up. I don't really like what that blank canvas did. So that's what we're working with right now. And then I'm going to open up the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade, whatever the fuck that one is, right there. I wish the names were on here, but they're not, and I threw away the piece of plastic because I fucking hate that shit. And I also hate that there's no mirror on this, and I'm gonna pick my other one up to use it as mirror. Okay, baby, we are going in with whatever that color is. Right there on the lid, nice and sparkly. All over where we just cut the crease. I'm just using my finger to kind of go back and forth between that Flora shade. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of Flora on my brush just to blend out that center and pinken it up a little bit. I'm gonna pick more of that color from the James Charles palette up. All right, I'm gonna use a big ass fluffy brush all over my fucking neck. All right, and I'm gonna darken up the top of that cut crease with the shade Flora and Passion and Aphrodite all mixed on a tiny little brush. I'm just gonna bring that right on top of where we cut the crease. It just wasn't prominent enough. That looks cool. And now I'm just lightly trying to... All right, I don't know where it left off, but that's where we are. That's where my little eye makeup is left off at. And I'm just gonna pick up a little bit more of Aphrodite, Botticelli on the little brush and bring that on my little lash line. Just kind of darken that up, because I don't think I want to use any liquid eyeliner, because fuck that. And I'm gonna bring a little bit of that underneath my eye too. I picked up the shades Flora and Passion from the LimeCrime Venus XL palette. I'm just running those along my lower lash line with this tiny little brush. All right, so I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit. All right, just buffing that out. Okay, so that is the finished eye look. Kind of. From here, I'm gonna go put on some mascara. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera, and then I'll pop on some lashes, and I will come back to do the lip. So I'll be right back. All right, my dudes, I think this is the final little look I did for you. All right, so I just threw some lashes on and some mascara, and I popped on some lipstick. I mixed the shades Tantalize and Worthy of the Covergirl Exhibitionist lipsticks. And this is what we're doing. This is how we look, bitch. Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub... All right, there you have it. Thank you so much for joining me again, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got something out of it. If you are interested in entering that giveaway that I was talking about earlier, feel free to jump over to my Instagram, check that out. All of the details will be listed there. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for an extra entry into that giveaway, and I will see you guys next time. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Okay, bye.